Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be looking at Landbox, which is a global real estate investing and information sharing platform. This is a company that is basically merging crypto, blockchain, and real estate investing together, and in a way leveraging all of those benefits from those three things and combining them into one. And that's actually something that I like a lot personally. Now I will let you know that this video is sponsored by Landbox, and big thank you to them for supporting the channel, because it's because of sponsors like them that I'm able to keep on producing great content for all of you. So if we look at Landbox, we're going to take a look at their white paper later in this video. Here you can see some of the exchanges it's on. If you want to see some more information, we'll be looking at the current price action. I really think it's a bit of a hidden gem with great potential. You can also see that it's a low, small market cap coin, only $8.5 million in market cap, and also considering its small size, it actually held up pretty well during this most recent crypto drop. That's something that you need to keep in mind. A lot of cryptos fell heavily. This was actually fairly stable considering it's a smaller altcoin with a low market cap. So I actually think on a drop like this, this could be a potentially a good buying opportunity. Now, of course, that's not financial advice. That's just my own personal opinion, like everything else in my crypto videos. So looking at further at the website here, let's take a look at what Landbox is exactly and their new way of investing in real estate, because that's really what they are unlocking here. So basically, what Landbox allows you to do is to participate in the platform to profit from investing in land with high development potential. And that means that real estate investing platforms Landbox's core business divides into the DRP, Develop Relay Project. We'll be looking more at that later in this video. Equity investment in land, replotting, co-investment for land compensation gains, and farmland consignment management. So you have expanded knowledge, co-investing, and basically connect with real estate experts. I want to reiterate that it's only through crypto blockchain that they are able to leverage these things to provide the best form of this type of real estate investing that we've seen yet. And I've actually been looking at a lot of, there aren't that many actually companies that try and do this, and that's why I like Landbox so much, is because real estate is something that is completely overlooked in terms of integrating it with blockchain and crypto, and Landbox is doing that. So big congratulations to Landbox for targeting that underserved sector of crypto, which is real estate and real estate investments. So Landbox aims to incorporate various macro indicators covering economic growth, interest rates, and government policies into their service. They also have Korea's first blockchain-based real estate auction platform called Auction OK. This uses blockchain technology to prevent forgery and alteration of online bidding data. Anyone can easily participate in auctions at reasonable prices, such as land, houses, factories, stores, buildings, and half-price auctions events, which means that this allows for diversification of real estate transactions method with competitive bidding as well. There's fairness and reliability through blockchain technology, which I've talked about already a few times in this video, and advanced prop tech company expanding the profit model, right? Once again, benefiting from blockchain technology to provide a better service than we've seen before in this industry. When you're curious about real estate, ask an expert on Auction OK School. They have a service where you're able to gain knowledge from experts who are sharing that bit of information. So that is a very big incentive right there. And you also have daily saving with Bitcoin. This is bit saving. It minimizes the investment risk caused by the large volatility of digital assets. And this service automatically purchases Bitcoins at predetermined time when the user charges a certain amount. And basically what that allows you to do, right, is buy less when Bitcoin price is relatively high and buy more when the price of Bitcoin is relatively low. And that will basically average out your cost. So this is, dollar cost averaging basically, right? Or whichever currency you're using. And that's going to be coming soon. So here we have a few frequently asked questions. As of right now, where can I trade the land token? on GoPax and on Prject crypto exchanges. You can find login information, and the land token is the base currency that is used in the Landbox ecosystem. So it actually has a very, very big incentive model there as well. We'll be looking at the white paper later in this video. As far as the roadmap is concerned, I'm not going to go into all the details here, but basically you can see that they've been working on this since third quarter of 2019. They have, since then made huge advancements with the Landbox token sale, preparing Landbox, their first listing on Prject, which was back in the third quarter of 2020, then listed on GoPax, and preparing the auction platform. We've had the auction OK beta launching, which is now official as well. And once again here, the big part that I want you to look at is the fourth quarter of 2021, the ability to own real estate. This is huge. This is global profitable real estate expansion, adopt real estate, big data technology, and a 2021 Q4 token burn as well. So that is really, really something that I'm looking forward to, is when that's going to be fully available. And I think they're going to be very successful at it personally. If you look at their mission, right, Landbox was founded to provide alternative solutions to real estate development and education industries. So they took their own experience and basically, were able to create this real estate auction system, right? And the final goal of Landbox is to provide a blockchain-based global real estate investment information sharing platform that connects real estate information and investors. You can look at the three founders here, the CEO, the head of real estate research, and as well Lee Paul, their head of blockchain. And like I said, I really like that they're combining crypto, blockchain, and real estate into one amazing project. Landbox.io is their website, and of course I'll be leaving a link to their website and much more information about them in the link in the description of this video. So if we look at Landbox's partners here, they've got a strong partnership base that help them create a reliable ecosystem through research and development of blockchain technology and production of high quality real estate contents. Also, you can take a look at their community. This is where you're going to be able to follow them on various forms of social media, and I'll be leaving a link to many of this in the description of this video. And finally, we have Auction OK, right, which is their auction platform online, right? So that is also another side of that. Let's take a look at the token one more time, and then we're going to look over at the white paper briefly. So basically, as you can see here, as far as the token is concerned, very stable price for the past month, even considering the big crypto drops that cryptos have seen, despite its smaller low cap standing in terms of market cap. And keep in mind, right, this really creates for some strong hidden gem potential. This is a project that is extremely low in market cap, could easily 10x from here as far as I'm concerned, and has a very strong project that is targeting, you can see it right here, real estate, which is something that is very underserved in the crypto and blockchain space. And for that reason, I think it has a very good chance of being successful. And once again, here you can find more information on CoinMarketCap or CoinEcho about the land project, and also which markets and exchanges Landbox and the land token is traded on, right? So let's take a look at the white paper now. So let's take a look at Landbox's white paper version 2.0 here. It's a very neatly defined white paper, and we're going to jump right into it. We're going to be especially looking at some of the key points, some of the problem with the current real estate markets, as well as the land token economy, the Landbox ESG management practices, the roadmap, partnership, and token distribution. Let's jump right into it. So as you can see here, right, what you're going to see very quickly is the fact that they use the innovation of digital technology through blockchain to create Landbox, which solves a lot of the current problems in the current real estate investing and information market, right? So here we can see that global real estate information sharing service, Global Property Business, it conducts a global real estate information sharing service, which through the execution of DRP, which is Develop Relay Project, connects users with projects seeking capital in the areas of land substitution for urban development, land provision compensation, and profit type cooperative investment project. They also have blockchain-based digital real estate auction service, Prject system. This is to establish the next generation Prject with the convergence of real estate and basically connect online to offline in a contactless era and blockchain technology, facilitating easy real estate sales transactions, as well as LandFi crypto tech system. According to each user's usage and participation within the platform will award users with land token incentives. Once again, here we can see one of the incentives and use cases of the land token. So here you can see the Landbox vision, which focuses on three main parts, which is digital innovation, reliability, and cohabitation. Here you're going to see a lot of details on, inflationary spending and, some of the current problems with the traditional system, and that is where Landbox comes into play to help alleviate those problems and create a better system, right? And that's really one of the most important things to remember about Landbox as a project. So here you can see how big the industry is growing in global prop tech, and of course, the growing trend of market capitalization for real estate and cryptocurrency. I completely agree with this. I don't think this comes as a surprise to anyone who has been paying attention. These are two of the most important sectors in the world, in my opinion, and Landbox is combining those into one. So like I said, I do like that a lot. And you can see the amount of transactions for real estate here that have been going up, and the consistency of those transactions. They also target some of the problems of the current real estate market, right? The limitation of the local centric real estate transaction. This is huge. Limitation of profit rate of small real estate investment and rights. This typically, favors big, large funds or institutions. This is something that Landbox and crypto and blockchain can solve. The limitation in real estate investment information, obviously very similar to what I just said here with, smaller players being cut out of hidden properties and good situations, right? Landbox wants to solve that. A limitation of inelastic real estate transaction methods, right? It is a very, kind of slow, illiquid market that is potentially targeted by manipulation, etc. That is something that blockchain can help with, and Landbox as well. And the limitation in the platform user, right? So the middleman, cutting out that efficiency here. Once again, something that Landbox can help fix through crypto and blockchain and through their innovation, which is one of their key goals and focuses, right? So of course here you can see all these problems and how Landbox is planning to solve that through their blockchain solution, right? So they have Global Property Business, which is the DRP, the Develop Relay Project, which connects users with projects seeking capital in the areas of land substitution for urban development. That's what I talked about before. And, main place of business for overseas real estate like South America. They also have Prject, which is secure transaction through blockchain online auction technology, prompt real estate trading for real estate sellers, reasonable real estate transaction for real estate buyers, high contract success rate, and low cost of advertising fee for brokers. This is huge improvement on the traditional industry, as well as information asymmetry and settlement through compensatory real estate Q&A service. Once again, a very, very big problem that's being fixed here by Landbox. And then finally, the crypto tech, which is, land reward program, LandFi, and users can receive land compensation and incentives by participating in the platform, one of the big use cases of the land platform, right? And here you have all these different service products coming together into one. You're going to see what this looks like, right? We already have the auction OK real estate platform, and some of these have already fully been launched. So once again, this isn't a project that's just starting. No, they already have made significant progress towards this. You can see how they're going to connect users with global property businesses, which is one of the big things that I talked about, right? How sometimes the real estate can be limited to local transactions only. That won't be a case anymore with Landbox's full success with this. So once again, we're going to move over here a little bit to the actual token model here, which is always something that I love to look at and see, what's been targeted by their token economy, right? And we're going to take a look at that right now. So first off, the land token, we're going to look at some of the use cases right now. Rewards in accordance with Auction OK's inquiry answer curation content sharing. It is Auction OK real estate expert services payment method. As the platform's currency, the land token may be paid by users to access third-party projects which they have connected with on the platform. Holders of the land token will be entitled to tiered membership benefits, and land token is accepted as the platform's currency by the platform when a user accesses services available on the Landbox platform, for example, real estate brokerage, appraisal, or information services. So in that sense, it is, the utility token of the actual platform itself. And they also are talking a little bit about Landbox's ESG management practices, right? Environmental, social, and governance. This is huge right now. And basically, they describe how they do this. Part of that is through Auction OK's donation auction, NFT digital donation certificate issuance. So also really impressive and cool that they're working on the ESG side of things as well. We can see the team here with a little bit more detail on what they've worked on the past. Very, very, very experienced and successful team here. You can see just from the CEO alone, 11th generation of youth startup academy, Korea's SMEs and startups agency. So he's done a lot of work in the space. Also, the director of the Real Estate Research Institute. Once again, a very strong background. And then the director of blockchain here, you can see his previous work in the digital currency space, which is also extremely impressive. And then we have also two other people here that they describe in some more detail that will help, really build a strong foundation as a team behind Landbox. So looking at the roadmap here, this is something that we briefly went over, but basically really looking at 2021 of Q4 here this year will be when you can own real estate, right? Which is the big factory here. Now, as far as the partnerships, we've talked about that. You can see the exchanges it's on, etc. And looking at the token distribution model, there's a total of 20 billion land tokens that are currently issued. There will be no inflation after the initial issuing. So that is, very big, right? This is a fixed supply, and you can see how that is dissected right here. So 40% went to the token sale, 20% towards marketing, 25% to the reserve, 10% to the team, and 5% to the land alliance. Once again, one thing that I'm just going to say that I really appreciate about Landbox is the fact that this white paper is very clean, very well organized. You can see it right here in the distribution model. It's not complicated, it's not convoluted, and that really speaks a lot about the seriousness of Landbox as a platform and how organized they are, in my opinion, right? And that's about it for this white paper. Of course, if you want to read it fully yourself, go ahead. It's right on the first page of the website, and I'll be leaving a link to Landbox and links to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko for Landbox as well in the description of this video. You can find all those links there for more information about landbox.io is the website. And thank you so much once again for Landbox sponsoring this video. Nothing in this video is financial advice, just my own personal opinion based on what I've found about Landbox. Once again, take a look at the description for more information about it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time.